Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's the Cajun and Bella. Well, she's laying down sleeping. She just had her dinner. We're getting ready to make our dinner. Look what we have here. We've got jalapeno peppers. We've got some cheese. We've got some Italian hot sausage in the fridge. We're gonna have us a hot sauce and stuffed jalapeno pepper, topped with some cheese. Today we got some of this Wisconsin herb harvested cheese, and we got some pepper jack cheese as well. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Let's clean these peppers. First we're gonna cut them in half. We're gonna start here. That's one of them. Watch how easy this is. Put your hand on it, get right here level. Go right through. There you go. And then we're going to get the insides out. See how easy that is? When you have the right tool, it's good to go. That's one half. Two halves. It's three halves. There we go. Now we're just going to go rinse them out. We'll be right back. Alright, so now we've got our hot sausage right here. We're going to get our hot sausage out of the skins so we can make it a little thinner and easy to stuff. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. We're going to put some taco sauce. There you go, taco sauce. It's good to have it right side up. We're going to mix it up. So we got some Kraft cheese, some Parmesan cheese we're going to put in. Not a whole lot, just a hint. We'll mix it in there. Okay. Alright, so we got that mixed in. You can hear Bella. Bella's talking to the TV. Hello, Bella. We're putting some of this herb cheese in the bottom. Trying to cut it thin. Okay, so now we got some of the herb cheese in there. Now what we want to do is stuff it. So here we go, we got our stuffing. We're going to roll it in our hand. We'll place it in there. Got another one rolled. When you roll them, it's easier. They don't stick. The oil helps them not stick to your hands. The taco sauce gives it a little Mexican flavor and built into the sausage because it's Italian sausage already. So that's why I put that taco sauce in there. Help with the flavor. Well, I got a little bit too much here, but that's all right. This is the big one here. He's just gonna be full. That's all. Okay, so for on top, we got some pepper jack cheese by Sargento rather. Excuse me. My Cajun botches them names up, but I want to make sure you see the packaging. So this is where the heat's going to come from on top. So we're gonna fold it, and we're gonna put a strip on top. And then we're gonna fold it. We're gonna put a strip on top, and we're gonna fold it. Put a strip on top. Strip on top. There we go. I didn't even need to use my plating little tweezers there. So we're going to set our oven to 400 degrees. And we're going to hit start. There we go. We're going to get our oven up to 400 degrees. In the meantime, we need to get our vegetables that we're going to roast into the roasting pan. We're going to put a little olive oil on top, a little seasoning, and we're going to roast them alongside the peppers. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. Ladies and gentlemen, they come in there, they're about 10-15 minutes in. Look at how good they look. Look, there's our vegetables right there. So we got our vegetables, the jalapeno poppers, and that cheese is melting. Look how good that looks. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that's my stuffed jalapeno peppers. Look how good that looks. So let me know what y'all think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and the little bell on the side to let you receive notifications when we send videos up and when we go live in the future. So we really appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. from Bella and the Cajun. Hope you have a great rest of your week. Good night.